Hey, Joe here from Pure Drive Physio and Performance, and in this video I'm going to give you 2 exercises that you should be doing if you're dealing with plantar fasciitis. Before we get any further into the video, if you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button down below and just go ahead and hit that like button if you find this video useful. Both of those actions are really helpful for me and the channel, and I really appreciate any of those that you take. So if you've been dealing with symptoms in the bottom of your foot, particularly the heel, you may be experiencing plantar fasciitis. If you don't know if you are having plantar fasciitis, go ahead and check this video out that I made that goes over some typical signs and symptoms so that you can figure out if you are actually experiencing plantar fasciitis or if it's something else looking like plantar fasciitis. In this video, I'm going to go over 2 of the most well-researched exercises that I like to utilize with my clients when they're dealing with plantar fasciitis. So let's get right into those exercises. For the first exercise, you will be performing a stretch of the plantar fascia, but don't get confused in that you are actually lengthening the fascia. In fact, all we're really doing is decreasing any sensitivity to the bottom of your foot, including your heel, so that when you do participate in typically painful activities, they are less painful. So to perform the stretch, all you are going to be doing is sitting down. You're going to take the affected side and cross it over the opposite side so that your ankle is resting on your thigh. And then from there, you're going to be pulling your foot and your toes up towards your shin using your hands. And you should feel a stretch and a pulling along the bottom part of your foot. If you are not sure you are actually stretching the plantar fascia, you can pull back on your toes and your foot, and you should be able to feel along the bottom area as shown in the video here with my finger, some tension created underneath your finger in that area. Based on the research that has been performed on this exercise, you're going to perform this drill at least 1 time a day, and you're going to perform it for a total of 10 repetitions. And on every single repetition, you're going to be holding the stretch for 10 seconds. The second drill is essentially a single leg calf raise off of a step or an elevated surface. You can use your hands for some balance and some light support. And if this is too uncomfortable to be performed with just one foot, you can perform it with both feet at the same time. You want to make sure that when performing this drill, your toes are propped up on a rolled up towel or a shirt or something like that. To get a better idea of what that looks like, here is a close up view. So you can see that all of my toes are extended upwards towards the ceiling. This will put more load on the plantar fascia as you're performing the calf raise. When initially starting this drill, you're going to be performing it 3 to 4 times a week with at least 1 day of rest in between working days. And you're going to be performing this drill for 3 sets of 12 reps. And you want to take 3 seconds to raise yourself up as high as you possibly can. Hold for 2 seconds at the top of the motion, and then take 3 seconds to lower yourself down, again through a full range of motion. Over time, as this gets easier, you're going to want to increase the load and the intensity. To increase the load, it would look something like this. You can place a backpack on your back, and then you can adjust the weight by adding more books or other items into the backpack, therefore placing more load onto your plantar fascia. As we are increasing load, we will be changing the set and rep scheme. Ideally, we are going to build up to 5 sets of 8 reps. And in the study that they did this exercise over time, progressively adding more load, they did it over 12 weeks. So there's no rush to change. And this is all based on what your symptoms are presenting like. So those are 2 of the best exercises that I have found for my clients with plantar fasciitis. That is not their total and complete rehab program. And there are other things to be done in terms of managing your symptoms with plantar fasciitis. If you haven't done so already, please hit that video up above. I made a video on how to manage your symptoms. So that includes the exercises that we did today, as well as some other things that you should be doing to manage those symptoms. If you found value in this video, please hit that like button down below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you want to see more videos like this to help you with your pain and improve your performance in and out of the gym, please hit that subscribe button and you will get more videos just like this in the future. Thank you again for watching, and I really appreciate it.